Ownership is being redefined. By 2026, digital currencies will transform your hard assets into
Your car key is becoming a line of code. If the ledger flags you, that code is deleted instantly. Programmatic confiscation means your vehicle locks itself. No tow truck needed. The code simply revokes your right to drive.
Smart contracts can now execute civil asset forfeiture at scale. Your debt-free home is only yours if the code allows.
When money becomes programmable, it controls your smart locks. A behavioral flag by the AI can lock you out of your property.
The Unified Ledger links your biometric ID to your property titles. Confiscation is now as simple as a database update. Automatic debanking triggers a default on your obligations. The system then programmatically seizes your assets to cover the debt. Due process is being replaced by algorithms. Programmatic confiscation happens in milliseconds, leaving no room for legal appeal or defense.
Even on your own land, your machinery can be switched off. Programmable currency enforces compliance through direct asset control.
They want everything inside the ledger. If it can't be tracked, it can be taxed into non-existence or programmatically seized.
Countdown to 2020 is a countdown to total visibility. Once they see it, they can programmatically take it.
Your behavior is now the collateral for your property. One wrong opinion can trigger a programmatic seizure of your life's work.
Your body is the key to the cage. If your health or social data doesn't match, your garage stays shut forever.
Programmable money allows for silent confiscation. Your purchasing power is stolen through hidden fees and algorithmic adjustments. Physical deeds are being phased out. The smart contract is the only proof of ownership the system recognizes, and it's revocable.
At MonkeySense, we audit the fine print. We found the protocols that allow for automated seizure without human oversight.
Use local tools to map their roadmap. Understanding how they link assets to code is your first line of defense. Bitcoin and self-custody are the ultimate exit ramps. They create a layer of separation between your assets and their code.
Parallel economies are unprogrammable. When you deal locally and physically, you create a blind spot in their confiscation model.
They call it tokenization, but it's really remote control. If it's a token on their ledger, they can delete it.
Targeted confiscation is the new weapon. They don't need to seize the whole city. They only seize the non-compliant.
Sovereignty is the ability to exist outside their ledger. Reconnect with physical reality to protect your energy and assets.
Opting out of the digital payment vectors creates the friction they hate. Every physical transaction is a vote for freedom.
We are more than just numbers. Our strength is in our refusal to let our lives be governed by their programmable cage.
Join the 100 heroes who refuse to be programmed. Your subscription helps us keep the technical audits coming.
We document the truth that they want to hide. Don't let the technical jargon distract you from the planned theft.
Once you see the model, you can't unsee it. Knowledge is the only thing they can't programmatically confiscate from you.
Your sovereignty is the key to a future they can't control. Claim it now before the digital gates are locked.
You are not alone. The movement for financial truth is growing every day. Stand firm and stay sovereign.
Subscribe now for the next technical audit. Protect your property. Protect your future. MonkeySense is your partner in freedom.